Here are the steps to refinance your mortgage. Step 1. Understand refinancing. Refinancing replaces your current mortgage with a new one to secure better terms, including rate and term refinancing to adjust interest rates or loan terms, and cash out refinancings to access home equity for cash. Step 2. Review your mortgage. Look at your interest rate, monthly payment, and how much you still owe. This can help you figure out if refinancing is a good move. Step 3. Set your goals. What do you want from refinancing? Are you hoping to lower your payments, pay off your loan faster, or maybe access some cash for projects? Knowing your goals will guide the next step. Step 4. Check your credit score. Your credit score plays a huge role in refinancing process. Make sure your credit score is at least 620. A higher score means better rates. Step 5. Gather your documents. Prepare documents like pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and your current mortgage info. Having these ready will make the process smoother and faster. Step 6. Submit your application. Fill out your application and provide all necessary documents. Be ready for them to check your credit and financial details. Step 7. Close the loan. After approval, review and sign the final paperwork. Make sure you understand all the terms before you sign. Your new loan will replace your old mortgage, and you'll start making payments based on the new terms.